In this quick guide, we'll dive into how to use Livestorm for lead nurturing. If you're new to Livestorm, you'll be amazed at how it can elevate your marketing strategy and help you build long-lasting relationships with your leads. Stick around because I'll show you some insider tips on how to use Livestorm's tools to maximize your lead nurturing potential. First, if you're not familiar with Livestorm, it's an all-in-one webinar and video conferencing platform that's ideal for hosting interactive sessions. But it's not just for hosting events. Livestorm is incredibly powerful when it comes to lead nurturing. You can engage, educate, and convert leads more effectively by utilizing its features like automation, segmentation, and personalization. To get started with lead nurturing on Livestorm, you want to make sure your events are tailored to your audience's needs. The first step is to create segmented lists of your leads. Livestorm allows you to capture important data during your registration process, so you can sort your leads based on interests, demographics, or behavior. This segmentation allows you to send the right content to the right people, ensuring a more personalized, nurturing experience. Next, you'll want to focus on automating your follow-ups. After your webinar or event, Livestorm gives you the option to automatically send emails to attendees and non-attendees, reminding them of key takeaways and encouraging them to take action. This is one of the most powerful features for nurturing because it ensures that every lead gets consistent engagement even after the live session ends. One of the key features for lead nurturing is Livestorm's automated email sequences. Once you've segmented your leads, you can set up tailored email campaigns that nurture them along the buyer's journey. You can send educational content, case studies, or offers at the right time to warm up your leads, moving them closer to a decision. Plus, Livestorm integrates seamlessly with tools like MailChimp or HubSpot, which means you can easily sync your email campaigns and further automate the process. Livestorm's interactive features like live polls and Q&A sessions are great tools for nurturing leads during the webinar itself. By engaging with your audience in real time, you create a connection that builds trust. The more you engage your leads during your events, the more likely they are to stick around and convert later. And with Livestorm's real-time analytics, you can track participation and engagement, giving you insight into which leads are most interested in your offer. Another key aspect of nurturing leads with Livestorm is providing valuable content throughout the funnel. Livestorm gives you the ability to host on-demand webinars, which means your content is always available to your leads. This is great for nurturing as it allows you to re-engage leads who may have missed the live event. You can use this content to answer frequently asked questions, dive deeper into your products or services, and provide even more value to your audience. Livestorm also lets you customize your branding. By adding your logos and changing the color scheme, you can make sure that your webinars feel like an extension of your brand. This adds a layer of professionalism that reassures your leads and makes them more likely to trust your expertise. Finally, let's talk about analytics. Livestorm provides you with detailed data about how your webinars performed and how your leads are engaging. You can track metrics like attendee engagement, webinar performance, and follow-up conversion rates. This data is gold when it comes to nurturing leads because it tells you exactly where your strategy is working and where there's room for improvement. Before I wrap up, don't forget that you can try Livestorm completely free. There's a special link in the description below and you'll get exclusive bonuses if you sign up today. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use Livestorm for lead nurturing like a pro. Remember, using the right tools at the right time is crucial for lead nurturing. With Livestorm, you can automate your follow-ups, engage your leads more effectively, and build a stronger relationship with your audience. So if you're ready to take your lead nurturing to the next level, don't forget to click the link below for your extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.